If you're thinking about getting into red light therapy and you're not sure how to use LUMEBOX for your skin, I've got you covered in this video. Hey guys, I'm Fenella and this is the LUMEBOX channel where we share everything you need to know about red light therapy. I studied a Masters of Science at Stanford University, so I'm here to share with you more science-backed, evidence-based content all about light to help you optimize your health. If you're here, by now you've probably been targeted by wellness influencers all over Instagram and TikTok, wearing those red light therapy masks. Some masks can be good for the face, but I'm going to share why I personally don't use them for my face and why I prefer LUMEBOX instead. And by the way, if you're interested in taking the leap and investing in a high quality third-party tested red light therapy device, we've got a special discount for all of you viewers. Just click the link I've included in the caption below. Here's how red light therapy works for skin health. When a very specific wavelength of red light is emitted from a device at a high enough irradiance, but not too high, it's able to penetrate through the skin surface, energizing the cells in the skin layer and underlying tissue. And this helps these cells to make more energy. This may have a variety of effects, including reducing inflammation, speeding surface wound healing, and improving the appearance of skin, like reducing pimples, breakouts, and blemishes. On top of this, there's some other incredible benefits of red light, one of which is supporting healthy collagen in our skin. Red light may activate fibroblasts, which are the cells that make collagen in our skin. At the same time, they may also reduce the activity of enzymes that break down collagen. I was on a collagen grind for a while, adding it to my smoothies every morning, and for good reason, because collagen is what keeps our skin strong and supple, and who doesn't want more of that? But now I understand red light's benefits. I just use red light therapy for 5 minutes in the morning. As studies like this that have taken skin biopsies and analyzed tissues suggest red light may support collagen density and elastic fibers in the skin. They also note that red light therapy may improve the appearance of fine lines and improve the texture of our skin too. Then there's one other benefit I want to share with you, and you may know this one as the glow effect of red light therapy. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, if you've tried red light therapy, you might have noticed that immediately after, your skin has a healthy glow. My friends always mistake it as a tan, and this is because red light therapy encourages the release of nitric oxide from our cells, which relaxes blood vessels and increases circulation. This increase in blood flow to the skin gives the immediate glow effect. Then it also increases oxygen and nutrient delivery to the skin, which can further support healing or reduce inflammation. So, can you get this in a red light mask? While some masks may be adequate for the skin, it's not my personal preference for 3 reasons. First off, they cost a lot, and often a lot more than the LUMEBOX. But here's the catch, you can only use the mask on your face, nowhere else. So I end up having to buy multiple devices for each body part, whereas I could just get one device that does it all. 2, some masks have blue light, and studies have shown that blue light may be helpful for acne, but it can actually damage the skin if you use too much and could even lead to photoaging. So steer clear if rejuvenation is your goal. Plus, I wouldn't want to use blue light too close to bed either. Exposure to blue light at night can suppress melatonin, and this is the hormone that helps you sleep. 3, most face masks are weak in power, around 20 to 50 milliwatts per centimeter squared, which means you usually have to treat the skin for about 15 to 20 minutes, whereas I can be done with a LUMEBOX skin session in just 5 minutes. Here's how I like to use the LUMEBOX for my face. I place LUMEBOX in its stand about 5 inches away from my face in red or combined mode. The further away you move the device, the lower the irradiance. And unlike masks which are fixed to your face and provide a set intensity, LUMEBOX allows you to adjust the distance to control that light exposure to suit your own needs. The key to understand here is that a device like LUMEBOX is designed to be multi-use. So by starting with a high irradiance, you can reduce this irradiance to suit your needs simply by moving the device further away. So if you want light to penetrate deeper under the skin, targeting those joints or muscles, you want to hold the device close to the skin. However, when using it for the face for skin health, you actually want to move it further away. The ideal distance is 5 to 6 inches for about 6 minutes. This will give you a dose of around 8 joules per centimeter squared, which is within the perfect dose range for the skin, as shown in multiple studies. The reason behind this is because the skin is thin and delicate, so it doesn't need as much light as deeper tissues like joints or muscles. If you want to learn how to use LUMEBOX specifically for muscles or joints, subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new update. Now, I know for many people, LUMEBOX is a part of a multi-step skincare routine. So here's some important things you need to know before your next session. When using LUMEBOX for your face, it's best to start with clean, dry skin. Avoid applying skincare products like retinol or other products that make your skin more sensitive to light beforehand. I use LUMEBOX in the morning and apply sunscreen after to stay protected when I head outside for the day. If you want to see how red light therapy fits into a full skincare routine, go check out our other video with Dr. Viv, where she shares her personal skincare regime and how she integrates LUMEBOX for glowing, healthy skin. So with LUMEBOX, you know exactly what you're getting. We've third-party tested the device to determine our wavelength, irradiance, EMF levels, and made sure it all complies with safety regulations at the same time. When you measure the light from just 1 centimeter away, LUMEBOX delivers a high red light irradiance of 125 milliwatts per centimeter squared, and this can allow the light to penetrate into deeper tissues. But then when you measure it from 15 centimeters away, the irradiance of LUMEBOX drops to provide an ideal irradiance for skin applications. Now I know it can be overwhelming if you're just starting out with red light therapy, or if you're still looking for guidance on how to choose a good device. So we've made a free guide for you, and I've included a link to that in the caption below. Plus, you don't want to miss our opportunity to level up your red light routine with our adjustable stand. It's ideal to help cover all angles of the face without exhausting your arms holding up the device. I've included a link for you in the caption for that too. See you in the next video.